Is the, we the Bhutanese call a Druk, the name country Bhutan. Then Wangil means the victory over the. And in 2003 we had our great fort King Jimmy and his army had flushed all the Indian insurgent, and it's the stupa is built in the outer circumference. We can see the 45 stupas. In the inner circumference we can see the 36 stupa, and in the innermost circumference we can see the 27 stupa. In total there is 109 stupa. 109 stupa. The one is when we count this. We believe that the main treasure of this stupa were the seized weapons of the Indian insurgents, and not only for that, only to celebrate the commemorate the victory of the flush out of the Indian insurgent, but then to mark the 100 years of monarchy. Our country had been ruled since 1907, and it's since 2008 is 100 years. We are celebrating 100 years of monarchy in our country. That's why the stupa were built, and it's built by our great grandmother, the eldest queen mother, the Ajit Doji Wangmuachu. She built in 2003. Here, after that, in 2011, they had celebrating the every year we are celebrating the Drukwangyal Thiku and the December month. It's quite unique. It's quite unique that during the festival the march dances and all were these march dances and the dances were performed by the Royal Army of Bhutan. Royal Bhutan Army and with the Rapa. Actually, during the festival, everything is performed by the monks and the locals. But then, in this festival, the only unique is that it's performed by the armies. Yeah, that's all. This is the brief history about the Drukwangyal. Commonly, we call it the Dochula. Dochu means yes, the piling up of a story. Before, in the ancient time, there isn't any stupas like that. The people, they just pick a stone and pile up, and dochu means the small stone, they pile up the stone, and that the name commonly we call it dochula, and for the officially for the tourists like you, we call it the Drukwangyal, as I mentioned earlier. Thank you. That's a brief history.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Queen means Queen.
And this is built by the Ajit Doji Wangmuachu.